of entry closed down. So you drive straight into there to get into Canada. So all the truckers are lined up all the way down the highway. This is on the American side. Both lanes. This is a truck stop packed with truckers. More over here. Straight ahead across the street from us. This is a small gas station that I don't even think it's open anymore. And then turn right. You can see they're just lined up down the street. And this is the American side. The Canadian side is probably 50 times, maybe more, crazier than this. They closed down the port. Yeah, kind of exciting.